tayo ng bundok. Good morning guys, it's a day 2 today here in Folkestone, and who's with me today? Khadija. How are you today, Khadija? Okay, look at the camera. Where are we going today? What's our plan for today? What do you want to eat for lunch? Fish and chips, I believe. And what else? Swimming pool. Okay, but it's still around 8 o'clock. Okay, so do you have fun yesterday? Okay.
Hi guys, it's me.
That's it.
That's it.
Grabe ang lalim pala, oh. Pag low tide. That's our lunch for today. Grabe, sarap ng seafood dito, oh. Tignan nyo, nakapila pa yung mga tao. Diyan kami kumain. Nakapila pa. Lobster, name it. Dito lang talaga mismo yun sa may pork dun sa opposite ng aming hotel. Ayan. Nice. High tide na naman. Ayan. Mamaya aakyat itong dagat na ito papunta dito sa taas mismo. Aakyat, tapos walang tao dyan, wala kang makitang tao dyan mamaya. Pasok tayo sa ating hotel. Together with my madam. Madam? Ayan, bumili naman tayo ulit ng work. Quick, hindi ba? Ayan o, napakasarap. Ayan. Pasok tayo. Diyan tayo. Ayan. Ito ngayon sa ating room. Yes. Open sesame. This is our room. Okay, this is our room. Look at that. Then our view is here. Another side of the beach. But this one is lot of papers. Look. Damn. In front of our hotels.